Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shri. Today we are going to make spicy Kaaju Masala. We need cashew nuts 3/4 cup, chopped onion 1 cup, butter 3 teaspoon, oil 5 to 6 teaspoon, red chilli powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, fresh cream 2 teaspoon, Garam Masala 1 teaspoon, green chillies 2 slit, ginger roughly chopped 1 teaspoon, coriander leaves for garnishing, Kasuri methi 1 teaspoon. Boil 2 tomatoes and grind to a fine paste to make a puree. Let's begin the recipe. Turn on the gas stove and keep a pan. Into the pan, add 5 teaspoons of oil. Add the cashew nuts. Fry until it turns golden in color. Now take out the fried cashew nuts in a separate bowl. In the same pan, add the onions, green chillies and fry about 4 to 5 minutes. Now turn off the gas stove and let it cool down. Once the onion cools down, add it to the mixer jar and add the ginger, little water and make fine paste. Again, turn on the gas stove, keep a vessel and add 2 teaspoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of butter in it. Now add Kasuri methi, prepared onion paste, half cup water and give a good mix. Boil for a minute, then add coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and stir well. Add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Then add tomato puree and add little water if required. Now add garam masala and mix it. Let it boil for 1 more minute. Then add fried cashew nuts. Lastly, add salt as per taste and fresh cream and mix it well. Now turn off the flame, add some fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Spicy Kaaju Masala is ready to serve with chapati, roti or rice. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.